creators over the world. My name is Shukal and welcome back to another video of collecting. In the previous video, we have unboxed the 1970 Dodge model and this little beautiful Bugatti, guys. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Pagani, guys. So let's start. Okay, no. Okay guys, okay. Hey. So let's bring the bad boy down. Okay. And this is the Pagani, guys. As you can see, this is a violet cute model. So this is the Pagani model, guys. You can see. This is the beauty we have got today. This is a violet color, guys, and this is looking cool. And we can open the doors. They are butterfly doors, and we can also lift the back, guys. Just wait. Just look at it, guys. We can lift the back as well as just look at it, guys. Just look at it. And this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I've been here. Funny I talk to you. Get your soul, just tell them they lay low. Isn't that crazy, guys? This is really a beauty, guys. Car is in a glossy violet color with the red stripe over here. The fronts look extremely good, guys, with the violet color, the name over here and the stripes. It's looking good. Just look at the air vents, guys. They look so much prominent. Here we got the branding and the fin finishing. And look at the back with the turbo over here. That's not working. Lights over here. The back side is plastic, guys, but the upper part is metal. And I will also show you the white color or the red color because I have ordered the white color and they have sent me this one. So we will exchange it with the white or red color and let's see when it comes. I will share it that to you. That's why I'm not opening this one and can't show you the lights. Otherwise the car is looking so much sick, but I really want the white or red version. So if you like this video, guys, please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel Collecting with You. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.